Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on a hexagon jacket, just like this one that I'm wearing. This is one of the top that I fixed, so I'm going to be working on something like this. So guys, this is the yarn that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use the same stitches like this one I'm wearing, so I'll go straight to the point. Okay guys, so this is my yarn. I'm going to start it this way, then I put my crochet pin in between. I make my first chain, then I go in the first line of the hexagon. You have to put 18 points. The first line is 18 point, and the hexagon pullover is just almost like here I go my 18 points, then I close it, I take a chain. The next line, on the second line of the hexagon, you have 26 points. With these stitches you have 26 points. And to begin, the hexagon is just almost like a granny square. The only difference with it is that it's having 6 sides instead of 4 sides like the granny. You don't forget the first line of your hexagon, you have 18 points. Then the second line, you have 26 stitches. Here I go my 26 stitches on my second line, my second row. Then I move to the next row. The next row, I'll start with 3 double crochet. The next row, I go with 6 double crochet in the same hole. Three double crochet on the same hole. Next, 6 double crochet on the next hole. Next, 3 double crochet on the next hole. Move to the next hole, you put 6 double crochet, the next 3, 6, 3 double crochet, 6 double crochet, this is the third line I'm working on, so I'm working on 3 double crochet, 6 double crochet, then I close, 3 double crochet. So now it's almost giving the form. Then I close it. Okay, this is how you have to continue working. Now it's already having the 6 sides, just like a granny square, but the difference is it's have 6 sides. You continue working like that until it reaches the final size that you want. So I'm going to put it together, so you are going to see this already one side of my hexagon pullover. As you can see, this is it. I'm going to work on the next side, then I'll put it this way, and it's going to form a hexagon just like this one that I'm wearing. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.